Welcome to TT's Corner. I would like to speak about a couple things I've seen on social media, and some is just hilarious. I have seen an MP on social media crying because he don't know what to do for his constituents who lost everything during Hurricane Melissa. I don't understand why that MP is crying. It just, instead of sit down and come up with a strategy to help his constituents, he's crying on social media. This is what happens when someone allegedly buy votes to win an election, because they win an election and have no clue what to do. Hello, Mr. MP. Sit down and come up with something, because you wanted the position, you've gotten the position, go make it work. Get pen to paper and sit down and come up with a strategy of how to help your people. Come on, get to work. Next, I hear the opposition talking about 50 million. What kind of foolishness is that? Do they want to bankrupt the government? They want to bankrupt the country. I just don't understand. It's like these people are crazy. They're crazy. They are trying to do everything within their power to crush this country, because it seems like if they don't win, they didn't win, so they're going to try everything to dismantle the country. Oh my God, this is just so crazy, And I also hear people getting upset about what the government, the Prime Minister said in regards to the generator, that he's going to loan the people the generator. I don't understand what this hullabaloo is about, because I think what the government is doing is a good thing. And people are saying he didn't purchase it, he didn't buy it, so he shouldn't be talking about loan. Yes, I think loaning the generators is a good thing, because when JPS works their magic and people get back light, businesses or schools or whatever, when they regain light, he can take it from them and maybe give it to another community to use who is without electricity. And when everybody gets electricity, the government take it, the generators, and put them in a safe place. And in case another disaster happens, we have 400 generators they're waiting, so that is pre-planned. So the government, Jamaica, will be pre-prepared for next time. So we don't have to be thinking or waiting for someone else to give us again. Yeah, and in the future, the government can even get some more, allocate money to purchase some more to put with that 400. So the people who are cursing, they are just not thinking. They are not thinking about, about the country and the future. They're not. A lot of these people just have their orange blinders and they are not seeing that it's not a JLP PNP thing. It's a Jamaica thing. Okay? We are one. Right now, the election has passed September 3rd. So we are not about that anymore. So some people need to just take off the orange blinders and just choose Jamaica. Focus on our country. Focus on rebuilding. Focus on helping our friends, our family. Just focus on helping people instead of party and colors. We are one. So just think about togetherness. That's all we want. We just want to see Jamaica succeed. And you know, it's funny how, you know, some time ago, people was like, oh, Mr. Holness should have turned against Netanyahu, Israel. But look at it. Israel is one of the partners who sent people to Jamaica to help us. So imagine if Dr. Holness did what the opposition wanted. Right now, a lot of help we are getting is because of things that Dr. Holness did and put in place. Even the money that Nigel Clark, with his brilliant idea, and now it's coming to fruition. See, I am happy that Dr. Holness won the election because I know he has some brilliant minds working alongside him. And Jamaica is going to build back better. Yes, our future is bright. And Jamaica will be a beacon, continue to be a beacon of light. Yes. So for the people who are cursing and bashing Andrew, patience. Patience. Andrew is Dr. Holness is very strategic, and I know he's there planning a way, yes, of what he's going to do for the Jamaican people that he loves. So hold on, brothers and sisters. Just hold on. Everything is going to be better. Yes, it may seem long, but it is gonna worth it. Yes, and God knows it is gonna worth it. So patience, my friends, patience. Yes, and last but not least, please donate to supportjamaica.gov.jm. Thank you, and God bless you.